Hi everyone, today we'll be making a yummy fried rice recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let's go look at the ingredients. Let's cut up some broccoli. Put it in a bowl. Let's cut out some sausages. Put them in a bowl. Today I'll be using 5 eggs because this will be a large portion for my family. And I will fry it up, put some oil in a pan, and crack your eggs in. And let's scramble them up. I'll be making them into scrambled eggs today. So they are scrambled up now, and they are ready. Put them into a bowl or a plate. Put some chicken broth into a pan. And let's put in our sausages and mix that up a little into the chicken broth. And now we'll put in our broccoli. And mix it up. And let's add our corn. Today I'll be adding corn to it too. Today I used chicken broth because my vegetables are not cooked yet. And so I put my chicken broth in, and we'll mix the vegetables up so they could cook. Instead of cooking them into a pot, I will be cooking them onto a pan. Now they are almost ready, and cook them up. Mix it all up. It looks really nice. Now let's add our rice in. Today I'll be using some normal white rice, and we'll mix those all up together. And it already looks super yummy. And let's put in our eggs. And mix that up. I'm going to use 2 spoons now. It looks super good right now, guys. And since the sausage already contains sodium, I won't be adding too much salt or anything today. So yeah, I don't eat too much salty foods. Now I'm going to add some chicken powder. And I won't be using soy sauce today, but instead of chicken powder, you can use soy sauce too. And it's ready, and let's pour it on a plate so your family can eat. It looks super nice already and even a little bit brown, even though we didn't use soy sauce. This was really easy and was quick, and I love this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!